A very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn chapter 7 of the journey to the center of the earth. All of you take page number 19.
Yes, sir, 1 second.
Page number
Sir.
19, chapter 7, journey to the center of the earth.
Chapter
Yeah.
7. 1 second, sir. I'm
So before
opening.
that, I wanted to say a few words, children. Okay. So whenever you make a journey, what do you need? Respond
Sir,
me.
Supplies.
sufficient
Food.
food,
Hmm.
Sufficient
water,
supplies,
Food,
water,
all are necessity
the
items.
necessities which you need.
Okay. And what else?
The clothes.
Yeah.
Clothes.
All
oxygen.
the yes.
Yeah.
All the necessary
When we go
things.
inside the center of the earth, we need oxygen mainly.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay, good. So, in the same way, how we take the things whenever we go for any expedition or excursion or maybe any picnic, we take things which are needed. Okay, after going there, we should not think that yes, I have forgotten my toothbrush. Oh my God, or maybe I forgot the soap. There are people like that. They forgot it, right? Okay, but whereas okay, Professor Errol Lidenbrock, he was very curious to keep all the things in the bag. Okay, so that is why many people have come the previous day before that they had a journey. Okay, who are those? Some electricians have come, or maybe certain things which are needed for the journey. Okay, everything he has kept it in the bag, and then they are ready for now going to the expedition. Clear? Next,
Yes, sir.
take chapter 7. One of you read now.
Sir, can I read?
The Ferrari.
At 6:30, we were at the station, and my uncle's numerous packages were unloaded and reloaded into our compartment. The train left at 7.
Okay, good.
The cool
Wait. Okay. So the packages are loaded onto a steam engine and the train departs. Okay, with this, what we need to understand, all the packages, whatever it may be that they have brought from the home, they have landed at the station. They are keeping, okay, they are keeping these things in train. Okay, the packages are loaded onto a steam engine and the train departs now. Okay, now the train is moving. Understood? Which means they have started their journey now. They're going. So now onwards, today onwards, we'll be discussing about their expedition. Clear? Their excursion to the center of the earth.
Sir, 6:30 means it's 6:30.
Yeah, it's 6:30. Go ahead.
Yes. Can I read, sir?
Read.
The cool weather took me away from my sad thoughts. As for the professor, his thoughts were faster than the fastest express. He examined all his pockets and the travelling bag with utmost care. I saw that he had not forgotten even the smallest detail. Everything went smoothly.
Okay, good. So the cool weather took me away from my sad thoughts. Okay, what are the sad thoughts? Because he is living Graubin. Understood? So, and also, he's a kind of pessimistic person. Okay, he doesn't want to go ahead. So that was the main reason. All the sad thoughts, okay, have gone away just by the breath that has been coming from the window of the train. And yourself also. Okay, if your mood is not good that particularly when you are traveling, what do? You go and sit at the side of a window and then you wanted to peep into the window, okay, to the trees which are there outside. Is it not, Nimira? Yes, yeah, it happens to everybody. So that's why the cool weather took me away from my sad thoughts. Okay, as
So
for the
can I read?
1 minute, as for the professor, his thoughts were faster than the fastest expressor. He examined all his pockets and the traveling bag with utmost care. So professor, he has taken care very well, and he kept all the things which are necessary for him in the bag, and then he made a journey. I saw that he had not forgotten even the smallest detail, even the minute things also which are necessary for the journey. He didn't leave at home. Everything has taken. Everything went smoothly. Okay, they have started their journey very smoothly. This is the meaning of this
Sir,
paragraph.
and Sanjana is
Sir, can I
asking to
read next?
admit her, sir.
Okay. Third paragraph.
Can I read, sir?
Read. Those who didn't read, you start now.
We traveled by train to Kial, and from there we took a steamer to a small town on the west coast of Zealand. From there we traveled again by train to the capital of Denmark. We reached Copenhagen at 10 in the morning. We took a room in a hotel. We went to the harbor to find us a boat to sail to Iceland. We booked our passage on a small Dutch boat, the Valkyrie,
The
which
Valkyrie.
was to leave for
Rijswijk.
Ridgewick on the 2nd of June.
Okay, very good. Okay, so they have started their journey, children. Okay, so they travel by train to where, to a place which is called as Kiel. Okay, that is a pronunciation of Kiel. So they have traveled by train to a place which is called as Kiel, and from there, okay, where they have gone? From there, they took a steamer to a small town on the west coast of Zealand. Actually, it might be a New Zealand. Then the professor is saying that Zealand. Actually, they have started from Germany, right? They are living in the Germany. Now they have to set a sail to England, where there is a Copenhagen. Okay, there they have to go to the Sneffels, and then they have to make their expedition. Okay, they have to start their journey to the center of the earth. Actually, that is their plan. Now they are going from Germany. They have started where? A place. Okay, we traveled by train to Kale. Now they are going to a place which is called as Kale. Okay, from there, okay, there is a small town. uh, okay, from there they have taken a steamer to a small town on the west coast of the Zealand. Okay, next, from there we travel again by train to the capital of Denmark. So there are two things. First, they made a journey to a town which is called as Kale, and afterwards they are making again a journey to the capital of the Denmark. These are the two places. Okay, next, we reached a Copenhagen at 10 in the morning. Finally, they have reached a place which is called as a Copenhagen in the morning around 10 o'clock. We took a room in a hotel after going to Copenhagen. What they have done? They have taken a room for taking rest. Okay, yes. We took a room in a hotel. We went to the harbor to find us a boat to sail to the island. So from Copenhagen, what they have to do? From Copenhagen, they have to take a boat and they need to sail to Iceland. Okay, we booked our passage on a small Dutch boat. They have taken a small.
Sir, in Iceland, the Sneffels mountain is there.
Yes, yeah. In the beginning, we have discussed that the Sneffels will be there. Okay, where there are more islands. Okay, we booked our passage on a small Dutch boat. The small Dutch boat, its name is the Valkyrie. Valkyrie. Very important. May come in the GAT test. Clear? So boat the
Okay.
Valkyrie, which was to leave for Rijswijk. So from there, okay, the Dutch boat which is going to a place which is called as Rijswijk. Okay, Rijswijk on the 2nd of June. Okay, they have a landed. They have landed on 2nd June. Next paragraph.
Sir, can I read?
Read. Hmm.
The voyage passed without any incidents, and 11 days later, we were cruising alongside the rocky coast of Iceland. My uncle was seasick all through the journey, affected by the rough sea, and was in his cabin all the time. Finally, the Valkyrie dropped her anchor before Reykjavik in Faxa Bay.
Okay, good. So, children, what we need to understand, okay, he and Lidenbrock, which means Axel and Lidenbrock, arrive in Kiel now and spend the day wandering around before the time comes to leave. They then board a ship and sail to the capital of Denmark. So, they have gone to a capital of Denmark through what?
Boat.
Yes, through a boat. What is the name of the boat? Rishta.
Steamer, I think so.
Yes?
No, sir, they went to a train only.
Yeah,
No, no, no. To the capital.
Yes, sir. From
travel.
there they went to Iceland in a boat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. But
Yeah.
Denmark, they went in train.
So not
Yeah,
Denmark.
sir.
Not, yes, not Denmark. Reykjavik.
They went in a small Dutch boat.
Yeah, they went in a small Dutch boat. What is the name of the Dutch
Sir,
boat?
once can you say the meaning of
Walkuil.
Dutch meaning, sir?
Dutch
Okay.
is the name of a country.
Yeah.
Yes. Dutch. We say Dutch people, Indian people. Like that, it's a name of a country, Dutch. Okay. Yes. So what is the name of the boat, Rishita?
Dutch boat.
Yes. What is the Dutch boat? The
Sir,
Valkyr.
can I say?
The
Valkyrie, sir.
Valkyrie.
Yeah, the Valkyr. You have to remember this. Okay. So after that, okay, the voyage passed without any incident. Now no more incident. Okay. Now,
Smoothly they passed, sir.
yes, smoothly they have sailed. And 11 days later, after 11 days, we were cruising alongside the rocky coast of Ireland, which means they have been going near to the rocky coast of an Iceland.
They were
Yes,
sailing.
they were sailing. My uncle was a seasick all through the journey. Okay, which means he was not enjoying the journey on the sea.
Because of the
Yes.
movements of the ship.
Yeah, and also it
Yeah.
is very cool on the sea whenever you move. You might have seen a movies like a Titanic movies, Ritika. Okay, in some of the movies
Yes, sir.
that we might
Yeah,
have
sir.
seen. Yes. Okay.
Titan.
So there they have to cover their body with the huge fur of coats. Clear? So my uncle was seasick all through the journey, affected by rough sea, and was in his cabin all the time. So because it was very cold on the sea, so that is why he was in the cabin itself. He doesn't want
Sir,
to go.
even in boats they give some means if that boat will drown in the water, no sir. Then they will
Ah,
give some safety coats to the
yes.
that
The safety
safety
coats
Like
means
also
the
will
they
be
rubber
yeah,
one,
travel.
rubber coats.
yeah. The
Ah,
safety
yes
coats
sir.
also will be given to them, but it's not a safety coat. But in order to save his life, he was in the cabin. Okay, Rafsi and was in his cabin all the time. Finally, the Valkyrie dropped her anchor before Reykjavik in Faksa Bay. So the boat, which is called as the Valkyrie, dropped them a place which is called as Reykjavik. Clear? In Faksa Bay. So in Faksa Bay means it's the name of a sea which is there. Next paragraph.
Sir, what's meaning of like
Sir, can I read?
anchor?
Anchor means a big thread which is tied to the
One
harbor.
metal
Yes, which
thing
is
will be,
tied to the
sir.
harbor of the sea. Clear? Yes.
Sir, can I read?
Hmm.
The professor came out of his cabin, though pale and sticky. He was full of enthusiasm. He dragged me forward and pointed at the distant mountain with a double peak covered with snow.
Okay, good. So, children, okay. So they reach Copenhagen at 10 in the morning and find a boat to sail to an Iceland. So they left in a small boat named Valkyr. Okay. Afterwards, we have discussed about the two of them sail in the boat for 11 days, and Professor was seasick all through the journey. Okay. Finally, after 11 days, they reached the anchor, which means the ending part of the sea in Faksabe. The pale professor was full of enthusiasm, even though the professor had suffered on the sea. But still, he was very enthusiastic for going for expedition. Snitika, the old man, though he was seasick, understood, he was not feeling well on the sea, but still, okay, that person was known for enthusiasm, interested in going for a journey to the center of the earth.
Yeah,
Clear?
sir, means a
Yes.
strong feeling, sir.
Yeah. So the pale professor was full of enthusiasm. He was thrilled to see a distant mountain with a double peak covered with snow and cried out in excitement that the mountain was Schneefel. From there he has seen, okay, a huge mountains. Understood? Now he might be thinking, he might be feeling very happy. Yes, the true time has come for him to go to the center of the earth. Okay, that is why he was very happy. He dragged me forward and pointed at a distant mountain with a double peak covered with the snow. So not only he was very happy, but also he has pulled Axel. Axel, come here and see there.
Yes,
There
sir.
is
Drag.
a big mountain. You have to see that. Okay, turn the page.
Sir, can I read?
Those who didn't read, you read ma.
Sir, can I?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Sritika,
sir.
read ma.
Can I?
Yeah.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Hmm. Start
Yes, sir.
loudly.
Sir, can you hear me?
No ma.
Okay, sir.
Loudly.
Exactly. And we came and sure we were met by the governor of the island.
Hmm. Okay, okay, fine, fine, good. So, Sniffle, Sniffle, he cried with excitement. Who is he, Rishida?
Sir, can I?
Who is he?
Sir, he is the professor.
Yeah,
Lidenbrock.
Professor, yes, Professor
Liden,
Otto Lidenbrock. He cried with an excitement. Cried means not weeping. Okay, he is
Yes,
very
sir.
happy. Understood?
Like
So,
screaming
It's
happily.
yeah,
same.
cried
Yeah.
is used for two ways.
Happy crying.
Okay, so Sniffle, Sniffle, he cried with excitement. Okay, he shouted with an excitement. So, next paragraph, Rishta, read ma.
So 1 minute, sir. I did not open. I was just listening to
Okay,
you.
good. And who else?
About,
Nimira, did you read?
Sir, can I read?
Yes,
Nimira,
sir.
Can I?
did you
Yes,
read,
sir.
Nimira?
When we came ashore, we were met by the governor of the island, Baron Trump. The professor, who had letters of introduction, said that we had come to study the geology of the island and wanted to first look at the craters of the Sneffel Mountain.
Okay, okay, enough, enough. Okay. Okay. So, children, at the seashore, they met the governor of the island to whom they didn't disclose their real motive. Okay, after going to the governor, they didn't say why they have come there. So they didn't inform their real motive or their real qualities or maybe their real intention. They did not tell. Professor told the governor that they had come to study geology. Okay, we have come here in order to study geology. We are mineralogists. We study about minerals. They have introduced for themselves, not for we are making a journey to the center of the earth. They didn't say these words to governor. Clear? If at all, if they say these words, there is a possibility of okay. The governor may say no, don't do that. So that is why they kept it very secret. Clear?
Yes,
And
sir.
wanted to
sir,
have
I
a
did not get chapter 7.
okay. Who is that? Rishta?
Yes, sir. I did not get chapter 7.
Okay, I'll ask.
Page
I will
19.
be sending you,
Sir,
right?
page
Okay.
20. The
Okay.
novel, page 20.
Page number
Yeah.
20. Page number 20, ma. Okay, fine. Okay. Once again, listen. At the shore, they met the governor of the island to whom they didn't disclose their real motive. So, professor told the governor that they had come to study geology of the island and wanted to have a look at the craters of the Sniffle Mountain. Just they have informed, we wanted to see, okay, the craters which are there on the Sniffle. Only we have come here only for looking at those because we are the mineralogists or maybe we are the geologists. We wanted to study about the rocks, the minerals and all. That is why we have come here. They have informed to the governor. Clear? Okay, read.
Sir, can
Yes.
I?
Yes, who is that? Makula, did you read?
Yeah. Yeah, sir. I get chance.
Shreya? Shreya? Arjun? Kundana? Kundana, read ma. Srinandana? Sanjana Reddy?
Sir, can I read?
Krishna Siri?
Sir, can I read?
Read Kundana.
The governor and the town's mayor took good care of us. The mayor insisted that we stay with him and gave us 2 of the 3 rooms in his house to keep our luggage.
Yeah. So the governor has given a permission to keep their luggage there itself, because there are 3 rooms are there in his home, and then he has given 2 rooms for them. Clear? So the governor might be known for hospitality. Clear? These people are strange, but still he has given a 2 rooms for them, which means he's known for hospitality. The governor and the town's mayor, okay, the governor and the town's mayor both are only one person. Remember that. The governor and the town's mayor both are one person only, not 2 people. The governor and the town's mayor took good care of us. They have given a care for him. They have taken care of him. Sorry, they have taken care of them very well. Okay. The mayor insisted that we stay with him and gave us 2 of the 3 rooms. Okay. So the governor has given 2 rooms for them out of 3 rooms. Okay. Next.
So can I?
Read, Makula.
Yes, sir. The mayor approved of our plan to begin our studies with that volcano. He added that it was not possible to reach there by sea. The route by the land would be longer. He said and offered to find us a safe and intelligent guide who spoke perfect Danish.
Okay, good. All of you listen carefully. Snitika, can you hear me? Snitika? Okay, good. Listen. So, the governor and the mayor of the town.
Sir.
Yes, good. The governor and the mayor of the town took good care of Professor and Axel. We know about this. Now, the mayor approved the professor plan to begin his studies with that volcano. He also offered to give them a good guide who could speak perfect Danish. So now, another character that we are going to add here. Who is that? A guide who is going to join with them. So what is the name of
His
the...
name is Hans Nasser.
Yeah.
Hans.
That's right.
Yes, sir, Hans.
His name is Hans. So
Hans.
what is the meaning of hands? What is the meaning of the hands?
H-A-N-S, sir.
Yeah, H-A-N-S. Meaning?
Means,
Sir,
Yes.
that Hans, Jalk or Bulk, what is that, sir?
Where is that?
The full name in chapter 8.
It's in chapter 9, Hans Veg something.
Chapter 8.
Okay, that is in the
Yeah,
chapter 8. Okay, wait.
Hans Vejlke.
I don't know what to read, sir.
I'll find out for you.
Jalk.
Okay.
I mean, I think it's a godlike type, sir.
Yeah.
Hans.
Yes, I will find out for you and tell you. Okay. If I say the wrong one, you will be learning the wrong one only. Clear? Okay. So the mayor.
Sir, I did not get page number 20.
Who is that? Kundana?
Rishita, sir. 19 I got and 21 I got, sir. 20 I did not get.
Rishita
Okay.
is up
So one of
above.
you.
Yeah.
Yes. One of you send it, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
The mayor approved.
So
of-
can I say the meaning of hands? 1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Hands is Germanic masculine given name.
Yeah, it's a masculine name, sir.
Danish, Dutch,
Hmm.
Faroes,
Hmm.
Norwegian, Icelandic and Swedish speaking population.
Means
It
that
was,
is the
It's
it
a
was
masculine name,
originally
sir.
short for Jonas, John,
religious name of
but
that.
is now
Yeah,
also
masculine.
recognized
Particular
as the
area.
name in its own right for
Okay,
official purpose.
fine. Okay. Actually, the meaning of
Yeah.
hands means water. The meaning of the hands is water,
Water.
or maybe stream. Clear?
Okay, sir.
That is the meaning of hands. Remember, write down somewhere. Snitika, the meaning of the hands
I wrote,
is
sir.
water or stream. Clear? Okay. So the mayor approved of our plan to begin our studies. The mayor has given a permission to study the volcano on Schneefeld. He added that it was not possible to reach there by sea. And also what he said, it was not possible to reach there by sea. Okay, it's very difficult for you to go to the volcano on sea. So that is why you need a person to guide you. So he's going to arrange a person whose name is a Hans. Clear?
But
Who can-
sir, it's
yes, who can
a
speak
mayor.
Danish
Like,
perfectly. Yes, ma?
Sir, if the mayor he gives a guide to these two person, Axel and Lidenbrock, then it will be a problem, right, sir? Because they are not going to study; they are going to center of the earth.
Yeah. Okay, that's right. So now